My dear students, today we are going to learn Study of Financial Statements, Lecture 4th, Problem 6, Vertical Balance Sheet. XYZ Limited, balance sheet as on 31st March 2018, liability side, asset side. This is a horizontal form. In this problem, they required to convert the horizontal form into vertical form. Share capital 6,50,000, capital reserve 2,500, general reserve 1,20,410, leasehold redemption fund 42,500, profit and loss account 18,777, 5% debentures 1,57,500, sundry creditors 73,900, proposed dividend 75,000, provision for taxation 25,000. Asset side, goodwill 25,000, land 1,29,000, leasehold premises 1,50,000, plant 2,34,395, furniture 8,575, 3% GP notes 71,400, stock 1,96,770, debtors 2,03,942, cash and bank 1,21,280, advance tax 23,675, preliminary expenses 1,550, balance sheet total 11,65,587. This is a balance sheet in horizontal form. We have to convert into vertical form and ascertain the following factors. Rearrange the above balance sheet in a form suitable for analysis and give the following. We have to ascertain first A. Current assets, quick assets, intangible assets, fictitious assets, fixed assets, fixed liabilities, proprietors' funds, working capital, total funds employed, secured loan, own funds. These are factors we have to ascertain in this vertical balance sheet. Vertical balance sheet of XYZ Limited as on 31st March 2018. Particulars rupees. First factor, source of fund. As per the pro forma, source of fund, shareholders fund. First item, shareholders funds. Share capital. In this problem, given balance 6,50,000 as a share capital. Add reserve and surplus. This is also given balance in balance sheet 2,500. General reserve 1,20,410. Balance as per balance given. Leasehold redemption fund given balance 42,500. Profit and loss account also given in balance sheet in problem 93,777. Total 9,09,187. Less we have here as a fictitious assets, preliminary expenses deduct from total. Preliminary expenses given 1,550 after deduction of preliminary expenses. Outer balance 9,07,637. Then loans fund 5% debentures. balance as per balance sheet 1,57,500, total 10,65,137, less application of funds. First, fixed assets, tangible assets. Under the heading of tangible assets, land 1,29,000, leasehold premises 1,50,000, plant 2,34,395, furniture 8,575, intangible assets, goodwill. Under heading of intangible asset, here goodwill 25,000. Total of fixed assets here ascertained 5,46,970. Then investments 3% GP notes 71,400, balance as per balance sheet. Current assets, stock 1,96,770, debtors 2,03,942, cash and bank 1,21,280, advance tax 23,675, total current assets 5,45,667, less current liabilities. After deduction of current liabilities from current assets, working capital, sundry creditors 73,900, provision for taxation 25,000, total 98,900 is total current asset. After deduction of current assets, we can ascertain here working capital, and which is 4,46,767. Total is 10,65,137 is total of balance sheet. After the preparation of balance sheet in vertical form, we have to ascertain following items, and that items are: A. Current assets is 5,45,667, which is balance ascertained in vertical balance sheet. B. Quick assets. Here equation of quick assets is equal to current assets minus stock and advances. B. Quick assets is equal to current assets minus stock and advances. Current assets is 5,45,667 minus total current assets. After deduction of current assets, quick assets is 3,25,222. C. Intangible assets, which is given in problem, goodwill, and goodwill is intangible assets. Fictitious assets is 1,550, which is given in problem as preliminary expenses. E. Fixed assets, which is a total of all fixed assets, tangible and intangible, total of tangible and intangible assets. F. Fixed liability, which is given in problem, debentures 1,57,500. G. Proprietors funds, it is ascertained in balance sheet after deduction of preliminary expenses, proprietors fund. Working capital, equation of working capital is current assets minus current liability. Current assets we have ascertained 5,45,667 minus current liabilities 98,900. After deduction of current liabilities, working capital is 4,46,767. I. Total funds employed, it is a total of balance sheet 10,65,137. Secured loan, it is a debentures fund, it is given in balance sheet. Own fund, also we have ascertained here own fund and proprietors fund, as same, and in this problem contingent liability is proposed dividend 75,000. Fixed liability and secured loan are same. Thank you.